So this is your standard room, or your basic room, at Sequoia Lodge in Disneyland Paris. So this is room 2177. Don't worry, we're not here anymore. Thanks, Jack. Right, we get the lights on. There we go. Good boy, Jack. And get Charlie out. Right, so as we go in, immediately to the right, you've got a storage area. So you've got a big shelf up there. As you can see, we've got all that stuff. That's safe. Another storage area where you can put your case and bits and pieces there. Then you've got a kitchen set, well, a single sink. Just there you've got a hairdryer. And then you've got more storage down there, which is cool. You can put your bits and pieces, your bathroom stuff. Then you've got just a standard bath. I'm guessing these come in like shower only as well if you need them to be accessible. And you've got a little toilet there as well. So that's cool. Oh, and then you get your standard Disney stuff like your soaps. Then they've got one on the wall as well. It's okay, the shower, it's not too bad. It's a bit weak. I like a stronger shower, but there we go. And you've got another mirror on the wall there so you can check your outfit. And then I thought this was pretty cool. You get a coffee machine. So we bring our own water, as you can see just there. And then you get these coffees. And they give you these coffees every day, which is cool. So yeah, Leved's a coffee. And they're quite nice actually. So we've been having that, and you get tea as well, so you get a kettle. Nice TV there as well. This is cool. So this is all our stuff, but this comes in the room, so it's like got a plug, and then it's got USB-C, USB, and wireless charging as well. So that's pretty cool. Then you get these table and chairs. You've got the boys' teddy and bits and pieces on there. We had 2 bottles of water. I don't know if they replace that every day, but that's what they gave us. So that's cool. A couple of glasses. Ice box for your ice machine. There you go, another mirror there so you can check how cool you're looking. It's really cool, like the theming. So like I said about the theming, it's like Bambi themed. But obviously this is Sequoia Lodge. So this is like a Bambi themed room. You've got the picture there. And then you get these 2 double beds.
No, it's not mini. Want to see what you're going to do?
Charlie just got a new teddy. It's the little fire dragon out of Frozen. It's a little magnet as well, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, so it sits on your shoulder.
Yeah, that's cool. And then you've got like a little table there. And a phone. And that's pretty much the room, to be honest with you. There is there's storage under there as well. There was a crib included. But it was broken, so we asked for another one. They sent this through, which is a really good one actually. Just before I forget as well, if you are bringing kids, there is actually a list of amenities that you can use for the children, which is really cool. You just ring up room service or whatever, and they bring it to you for no extra cost, which is really, really cool. So depending what room you get, depending what view you're going to get. So I'll show you what view we got. So this is our view. So just over there, you can, if you squint your eyes, see the lake. But yeah, I thought it was quite a nice view, nice little woodland view. And there we go. So that is your room tour of Disney Sequoia Lodge at Disney Paris. If you did like the video, don't forget to subscribe and follow along for more videos. And give us a thumbs up. Hope you liked it. See you later.